Hi guys, today I got a Subaru Outback and it has a random misfire and stalling while idling. Let's move to the car.
The oscilloscope showed a short impulse on the yellow third cylinder line. You can compare it with the blue, which was connected to the cylinder 1, which was insufficient to open the fuel injector, causing the misfire. We removed the ECU and took it into the lab. There, we indicated the injector line controller chip is the issue and replaced it with a brand new one. After reinstalling the ECU, the car is now running smoothly, the check engine light is gone and the misfire is resolved. #HappyOwner!